let's talk about the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also the MiraCast for the Toyota Land Cruiser. It was launched 2022, and yes, you still need a USB cable to connect your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The port is over here. USB. There's a USB-C here, but this is for charging only. To connect Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you need this USB-A. Okay, I'll start with the Apple CarPlay. Plug your USB over here. Just plug it. Enable once. Done. Apple CarPlay is very important, including the Android Auto, because the GPS navigation pre-installed in the head unit is unusable in my country. It only can be used in Japan. So the solution, Apple CarPlay and Waze, including the FM radio too, because they have up to 95 MHz only, and most of the stations are above that, so you have to download another apps and listen to your favorite radio. Android Auto got it too. Come, I show you. Now the Android Auto. Android device. The icon is over here, Android Auto. Done. It's the same. Waze is our favorite navigation here. This is the another apps to listen to your FM radio using your data. YouTube music. Okay. You can't go full screen. You can't go full screen. Okay, this is the biggest. Now the MiraCast. MiraCast is only available for the Android. First, you need to download the apps MiraCast. Then audio. MiraCast. Connect. Turn on. Device found. Accept. Done. This is how we use the MiraCast. YouTube. Okay. I wonder if I shift to reverse or drive, the screen will black out or not. Yes, video is not available while car is in motion. That's for the safety. Okay. Toyota Alphard or Wildfire 2020 and above, or Lexus or Harrier, they got the same user interface. So how to connect Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, MiraCast, they are all the same. This is because it's just another Toyota head unit. How to connect for the Toyota Alphard, maybe you can check my video here. Thank you.